Okay guys, so today we are going to do sum number 7 and sum number 8 of exercise 3b. Okay, so sum number 7, it's a completely new concept. Yes, so I want you guys to pay attention. So that if I ask you that what is 5, if I ask you that 5 plus how much is equal to 8, this one is a blank, fill in the blank. Okay, that if I ask you 5 plus how much is equal to 8, you guys will be able to tell me very easily that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. What are you doing? You are subtracting 8 minus 5. You have 8, you have 5. You subtract both of them to get 3 and you put it over here. Yes. Let me talk about another one. 6 plus how much is equal to 10? Okay. So this one also is very easy. You do 10 minus 6. Yes, so 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Yes, so you put 4 over here. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Yes, you do 10 minus 6. Yes, but if I give you that minus 35 plus how much is equal to 14, then what are you going to do? Yes, then it is very difficult to count. Understood? So what I am going to teach you today is changing of signs. Yes, changing of signs. See, this thing is a equation. What you see on the screen right now is an equation. Yes, it has two sides. It has a left hand side. The portion which I am underlining right now is the left hand side, and the portion which I am underlining right now is the right hand side. Okay, and the equal to is in the middle. This is left hand side of the equal to and this is right hand side of the equal to. So what you need to do to solve this is that you need to leave this blank alone on one side of the equal to. I am repeating once again, you need to leave this blank alone on one side of the equal to. Yes, how will you leave this blank alone? Yes, let me copy it down once again. Minus 35 plus blank is equal to 14. Yes, how will you leave this blank alone on one side of the equal to? Who is there with the blank right now on the left hand side? Who is there with the blank right now? This 35 is there, minus 35 is there with the blank right now. Yes, so you are going to send this minus 35 to the other side of the equal to. Yes, I repeat once again, you are sending this minus 35 to the other side of the equal to. So minus 35, when it goes to the other side of the equal to, what will it become? It will become plus 35. So what will you write? You will write blank is equal to 14 plus 35. Okay, so what is 14 plus 35? 14 plus 35 is 49. Yes, so that's why you write 49 over here. Let us do another example. Suppose I give you minus 5 plus how much is equal to 11. Okay, how are you going to do? This is the left hand side of the equal to, this is the right hand side of the equal to. Along with the blank over here, there is a minus 5. So to leave the blank alone on one side, you need to take this minus 5 to the other side. Yes or no? Yes. So minus 5, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 5. Yes or no? So you will write blank is equal to 11 plus 5. Yes. What is 11 plus 5? 11 plus 5 is 16. So you write down 16 over here. Understood? Let us do another example. Minus 7 plus how much is equal to 21. Okay, so what will you do? You will send this minus 7 to the other side of the equal to. When minus 7 goes to the other side of the equal to, what does it become? It becomes plus 7. Yes or no? So you will write blank is equal to 21 plus 7, which is equal to 28. Yes or no? So you will write 28 over here. Understood? So let's get to the sums. We will copy down the sums. I'll show you 3 sums and you guys are going to send me the rest. Okay, so let us do sum number 7's 1. The sum is saying plus 23 plus blank is equal to 0. Okay, so let me copy this down. It's written plus 23 plus blank is equal to 0. So the first thing which you guys are going to do is that remove the brackets. Okay, you don't need to keep the brackets. Write it down as plus 23 plus dash is equal to 0. That's it. Remove the brackets. Brackets are not necessary. Okay, so now who is there with this blank right now? 23 is there with this blank. Yes or no? This 23 is there with the blank right now. You need to send this 23 to the other side of the equal to. Yes or no? So plus 23, when it goes to the other side of the equal to, it becomes minus 23. Yes or no? So you write it as blank is equal to 0 minus 23. Okay, so what is 0 minus 23? 0 minus 23, the answer is minus 23 only. Yes, so that's why in this blank you will write minus 23. Understood? Let's do another sum. Let's do sum number 3. Okay, minus 14 plus blank is equal to 34. So I am not copying down the brackets. I am straight away writing minus 14 plus blank is equal to 34. Yes, how will you solve this? Along with the blank, there is 14 on the left hand side. Yes or no? You need to send this 14 to the other side of the equal to. Yes, so blank is equal to 34 plus 14. Yes or no? You all know what is 34 plus 14. Solve it and fill up the blank. Okay, I am not going to explain any further. After that, we are going to move on to this one. After that, we are going to move on to number 6. Yes, blank minus 25 is equal to 2. Okay, so let me copy this down. Blank minus 25 is equal to 2. Here I have copied down the bracket because there are 2 minus signs over here. So wherever you have 2 minus signs, you guys know what to do. That minus into minus is plus. So I write blank plus 25 is equal to 2. Yes, then blank is equal to 2 and this 25 needs to be sent to the other side. Yes or no? So plus 25, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 25. So what is plus 2 minus 25? Yes, so different signs means subtraction. Yes or no? This one has a plus sign, this one has a minus sign. Different signs means subtraction. 25 minus 2 is 23. Yes, and what is the sign before the bigger number? Sign before the bigger number is minus. Yes, so the answer will be minus 23. Okay, so your final answer will be minus 23. Okay, I hope that you guys have understood. In case you haven't, replay the video, and in case you still don't understand, then message me back. I will make another video on this. Okay. Acha, rest if I solve, there are just six sums in this. Okay, so let me solve a few examples for you which I've made up in my mind. So minus 43 plus blank is equal to minus 9. How are you guys going to solve this? Minus 43 needs to go to the other side of the equal to. Yes or no? So minus 43, when I send it to the other side of the equal to, it becomes plus 43. Yes or no? It becomes plus 43. So what will the final answer be? So it is minus 9 plus 43. Different signs means subtraction. What is 43 minus 9? 43 minus 9 is 34. Yes or no? 43 minus 9 is 34. And what is the sign before the bigger number? The sign before the bigger number is plus. So your answer will be plus 34. Yes. So here also you will put plus 34. Understood? Let's take another example, that blank minus 2 is blank minus 2 is equal to 9. Okay, so I write blank minus into minus is plus, so I write plus 2 is equal to 9. Yes, 2 I need to send it to the other side. Yes, so 2 when it goes to the other side it becomes minus 2. Yes or no? So the answer is 9 minus 2 is 7. Yes, so you write 7 over here. Understood? So in case you guys have any doubts about this, then message me back. I'll make another video. Let's move on to the next sum right now. Okay, dude. So now we move on to the next sum, next type of sums, which is use the number line method to find 5 plus 4. Okay. So in this, if I ask you to do 2 plus 3, then very easily you will tell me 5. But here they are telling you to solve this using a number line. Okay. Suppose I ask you to do 2 plus 3 using a number line. Okay. Then what are you going to do? Let me draw a big number line. Yes. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So where am I right now? I am at 2. Okay, so I am over here. Yes. Plus 3. What is the meaning of plus 3? Plus 3 means you need to move 3 times towards the right. Plus means towards the right and minus means towards the left. Plus 3 means you need to move 3 times towards the right. So I jump 1 time, 2 times, 3 times towards the right. Yes, where do I land? I land at 5. So your answer is 5. Understood? What if I would have asked you to do 2 minus 3? Then what would you have done? Let me start. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So I am at 2 right now. Yes, I am at 2 means over here. Yes, and minus 3 means what? You need to jump 3 times towards the left. Yes, so 1, 2, 3. I jumped 3 times towards the left. Where do I land? Minus 1. So my answer is minus 1. Understood? Let's get to the actual sums in the exercise. Here it is. First one is 5 plus 4. You guys already know what to do with 5 plus 4. This is minus 4. Sorry, this is 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So you are at 5 right now. Yes. You jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 means you jump 4 times. And where do you land? You land at 9. Okay. So your final answer will be 9. Yes. Next is 4 minus 6. Okay. So 4. It is 4 plus minus 6. Okay. So plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is minus. So I write 4 minus 6. Yes. So let me draw the number line for this. I have already drawn it for you guys. One minute. Yes. So this one is the number line. Where am I right now? I am at 4 right now. Yes or no? I am at 4 right now. And it was 4 minus 6. Wait 1 minute. Yes. The question says that you need to do 4 plus minus 6. Plus into minus is minus. So I write 4 minus 6. Where am I right now? I am at 4 right now. So let me put a dot on 4. Yes. And -6 means what? I need to go 6 times towards the left. Yes or no? Minus means towards the left. So let me go jump 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So where do I end? I end over here at -2. Okay, so I will write -2. That is my final answer. Understood? So let's do another sum. -4 plus 8, I don't think that I need to tell you. You just need to jump 8 times towards the right from -4. Okay. Here -5 plus 3. Yes, -5 plus 3 also I don't need to tell you, I think. Yes, you just need to jump 3 times towards the right from -5. Yes, -5 is over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 times you need to jump. Yes. Now we come to the next sum, -3 plus -5. Yes, -3 plus -5. Yes, plus into minus is minus as again. So I write -3 minus 5. Yes. So -3 minus 5, what does it mean? Draw a number line, draw -3 over here. Yes, jump 5 times towards the left from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number where you land, yes, that will be your answer. Okay. Here there is another type of sum, 5 minus -2. Okay, 5 minus -2. Minus into minus is plus, so write 5 plus 2. Yes, then draw the number line. Suppose 5 is over here. Yes, so you jump 2 times towards the right from there. Understood? Yes, 5 plus 2 means that only you're jumping 2 times towards the right. And that's it. Remaining sums you're going to do it on your own. Yes, and in case you guys have any problem, then message me back. I'll make a video on it again. Yes.